how to apply promo code in JustMarkets application using your smartphone. Hello and welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you have received a promo code from JustMarkets and you want to activate, then here's how you do it. Let's quickly go ahead and open up the JustMarkets application and log into your account. Once you're inside the Accounts tab inside JustMarkets, go to the upper left corner and tap the menu button. Now on the next page, scroll down and tap on Benefits. Inside Benefits, select Promo Code. Now enter your promo code exactly as you received it in the blank box. I'm just typing some random things over here. This is not a promo code for your information. Just type in the promo code that you received and then tap on Apply. If the code is valid, the associated bonus or reward will be added to your eligible trading account according to the promotion's term. If your promo code doesn't work, then make sure that the code has been entered correctly, verify that the promo code hasn't expired, and you can also check your account meets the promotion's eligibility requirements or not. So that's how you can easily apply a promo code in JustMarkets application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.